Tesla has been on a crazy uptrend, but we are all asking, can it continue or will there pullback? Of course, there's going to be a little bit of a pullback. It's normal, but will there be a big pullback? So we'll talk a little bit about this, talk about the good and the bad. So, and if you stay long enough, we'll talk about the latest Tesla news that just came out last week, and it's really amazing. So stay tuned. The stock just keeps going up, but will it continue? Join me and let's dive into the world of Tesla stock to predict whether it can reach new highs in 2025. Welcome to my channel where I give you the latest Tesla news. Tesla stock has been a hot topic in the investment landscape, and its volatility and unpredictability making it a focal point for many investors. As we step into 2025, the question on everybody's mind is, will Tesla stock keep increasing or will there be a pullback? Competition in the electric vehicle market is heating up, and new players entering the scene and establishing automakers shifting towards EVs. This increased competition could put pressure on Tesla's market share and ultimately affect the stock price. Additionally, Tesla has been facing production issues, particularly with the expansion issue in Germany and environmental complaints. Also, Mexico has been delayed due to environmental regulations and tariff issues. India tariffs and regulations put a hold on further negotiations for some time. If these issues persist, it could lead to a delay in further growth for the company, which could lead to impact the stock price. Furthermore, Tesla's resilience on a limited number of models and its high research and development expenses could also impact profitability and stock performance. The stock market is inherently unpredictable, and Tesla's performance is heavily influenced by broader market trends. If we see a continuous shift towards sustainable energy and EV adoption, Tesla could be well positioned and to benefit from this trend. External economic conditions such as interest rates and inflation can also affect Tesla's performance. If we see a continued economic downturn, it could lead to reduced consumer spending and lower demand for Tesla's products. Regulatory hurdles also are concerned as governments around the world implement new policies and regulations for the EV industry. While these regulations could ultimately benefit Tesla, there is a high risk that they could hinder its growth in the short term. Looking ahead to 2025, it is clear that Tesla stock is poised for a wild ride. With the factors mentioned earlier at play, it is difficult to predict with certainty whether the stock will continue on its trajectory. However, the announcement of the Model Q in 2025 will be a lower cost EV, the start of the Cybercab or robo-taxi business next year using Model 3 and Model Y vehicles for now could impact the stock price positively. And in 2026, the launch of the Cybercab as well as Optimus, Tesla's robot, can have a dramatic impact on the stock price. As we all know, stock prices will not go up in a straight line, and one bad catalyst can cause a pullback. Therefore, if Tesla can successfully navigate the challenges and capitalize on the opportunities, there's a good chance that the stock could continue its upward trend. It is also worth noting that Elon Musk's vision for the company extends far beyond just electric cars, which could lead to new and exciting opportunities for the company. Ultimately, the success of the company and Tesla stock in 2025 will depend on a variety of factors, including the company's ability to execute plans, the broader market trends, and external economic conditions. In my opinion, personal opinion, so this is not investment advice or anything like that, I think there'll be maybe little pullbacks, but nothing dramatic. If there's something a little bit bigger going on, it'll be temporarily because I think we're entering the next growth cycle of Tesla. You let me know what you think in the comments below. Anyway, let's talk about these amazing Tesla news. On Thursday, Benzinga Newswire reported Tesla could touch the $2 trillion market cap by the end of 2025, says tech bull Dan Ives. FSD, robotaxis, and cybercabs are the keys for the EV giant. Wedbush security analyst Dan Ives sees the EV giant Tesla achieving a $2 trillion market cap by the end of 2025 in a bull case scenario. So what happened? We believe with the autonomous story of Tesla, it'll be worth $1 trillion alone, that in a bull case scenario by the end of 2025, Tesla could achieve a $2 trillion market cap threshold, Ives said. FSD, autonomous, and the launch of the Cybercab for early 2026 are keys for Tesla. Wedbush currently has a $400 price target on Tesla with a outperform rating. The analyst also said he believes Musk will play a role in the US-China tariff negotiations next year. Musk's involvement, he said, should enable Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia to get carve-outs in this game of high-stake poker between DC and Beijing.
You think Tesla is going to make millions of robo-taxis, and next year we finally start to see some of these on the road?
I think by 26, you'll see them. I think, look, it goes back to just because the bears, they can see AI in the spreadsheets, right? So when they're sitting deep in those caves in hibernation mode, that's how they've missed out on every transformational tech name in the last 20 years. Tesla will be no different. It's not a car company. More and more, it's not going to be valued on traditional EVs. It's about the autonomous future. We think autonomous is worth $1 trillion alone.
MarketWatch. Tesla's market cap soars to $240 billion amid stock's win streak to record highs. The win streak that propelled the stock to the first record close in 3 years has made CEO Elon Musk more than $50 billion richer. Tesla's stock has been on a historic rollover in the past month to propel it to the first record close in 3 years. And there's a lot more to it than electric cars. The stock has shot up 21.3% over the past 7 sessions, which could be its longest winning streak since the 11-day stretch that ended on July 10th. Now, it rose 0.4% in morning trading on Thursday after closing Wednesday at $424.77, which was above the previous record close of $409.97 on November 4th, 2021. The biggest gain during the current winning streak was the stock's 5.9% surge on Wednesday, which followed General Motors abandoning their robotaxi business. That basically confirmed the moat around Tesla's own robotaxi business, which the company has taken its future on. Thursday, Dow Jones Newswire. Musk's bet on Donald Trump winning the presidential election has paid off in a big way for him and Tesla's shareholders. Since the November elections, the stock has skyrocketed 69.5%. That has not only added $561.3 billion to Tesla's market cap, but has made Musk $125 billion richer. That gain in Musk's wealth is more than the total net worth of Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang, which is at $122 billion. Thank you so much for being here. And if you want to see more videos related to the same subject, which is Tesla, you could watch this next. My name is Claudia. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being here, and goodbye.